Hello everyone, welcome back to Cyber Smart Kids. In day 14, we learned about algorithms. In day 15, we learned about sequence. Today, in day 16, we will learn another very important coding concept. Today's topic is loops in coding. A loop means repeating the same action again and again. Loops help computers repeat tasks without writing the same instruction many times. Let's learn loops with fun examples from daily life, games, robots, and scratch coding. Kids, a loop means doing something again and again. For example, clapping 5 times, jumping 10 times, brushing left and right again and again, running around a playground, singing the same chorus in a song, moving a game character again and again. In coding, when we want the computer to repeat something, we use a loop. Instead of saying move, 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 we can simply say repeat move 5 times. That is a loop. Loops are everywhere in daily life. When you brush your teeth, you move the brush again and again. When you clap, you repeat the clap. When you walk, your feet repeat. Left foot, right foot. Left foot, right foot. It happens automatically. When a washing machine runs, it repeats. Wash, spin, rinse, spin. When you practice writing letters, you repeat the same letter many times. So loops are not only in coding, loops are part of life. Coding just gives this repeating action to a computer. Now let us understand why loops are useful. Imagine you want a robot to clap 10 times. Without a loop, you may write clap, 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 clap. That is too long. With a loop, you can write repeat clap 10 times. Much better. Loops make coding faster and cleaner. A good coder does not repeat the same line again and again. A good coder uses loops. They make code shorter and easier to understand. Let us create a simple loop. Task: make a character jump 5 times. Without loop: jump, 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 jump. With loop: repeat 5 times, jump. The computer understands do the jump action 5 times. This is called a repeat loop. Loops are very important in games. Imagine a game where stars fall from the sky. The computer repeats many actions. Show star, move star down, check if player catches star, add points, show another star. This keeps happening again and again. Most games use loops all the time. A game loop may repeat show the screen, check keyboard buttons, and move the player many times every second. That is why games feel alive. Loops are also used in animation. Imagine a cartoon character waving hello. The hand moves left and right. Instead of writing this many times, we can use a loop. Repeat 6 times, move hand left, move hand right. This makes the animation easier to create. Loops help characters walk, blink, dance, wave, fly, jump. Any repeated movement can use a loop. For kids, let us understand 2 simple types of loops. Type 1, repeat a fixed number of times. Type 2, repeat until something happens. Example, repeat clap 5 times. Repeat jump 10 times. These are useful when we know the number of repetitions. Now let us understand repeat until. Repeat until means keep doing something until a goal is reached. Example, walk until you reach the door. The person keeps walking. When they reach the door, they stop. In games, move enemy until it touches the wall. When it touches the wall, it stops. In Scratch, loops are colorful blocks. You may see blocks like repeat 10, forever, and repeat until. Scratch makes loops easy to see. If we use a forever block, the character will keep moving forever until the program stops. A forever loop keeps repeating again and again. Forever loops are useful for game background music, moving clouds, flying birds, blinking lights. It does not stop by itself. But we must be careful. If a forever loop is not used properly, the program may keep running without stopping. Always use loops wisely. Let us compare a good loop and a bad loop. Repeating clap 5 times manually is the bad way. Using a repeat 5 block is the good way. Now it is activity time. I will say some actions. You tell me if it is a loop. Ready? Action 1. Clap 5 times. Is this a loop? Yes, because clapping is repeated. Action 2. Open a book once. Is this a loop? No, because it happens one time. Action 3. Blink your eyes again and again. Is this a loop? Yes. Action 4. Say your name once. Is this a loop? No. Great job, kids. Let us create a robot dance using loops. Repeat 3 times. Move left, move right, clap. Then finally say dance complete. The robot follows the loop 3 times and then finishes. You can try this at home. One person is the robot, one is the coder. Now let us learn common loop mistakes. Mistake 1. Repeating too many times. Mistake 2. Using forever when you need to stop. Mistake 3. Wrong instruction inside. Remember, know when the loop should stop. Now it is quiz time. Question 1. What is a loop? A. A repeated action. B. A password. The correct answer is A. A repeated action. Question 2. Which instruction is a loop? B. Clap 5 times. C. Say your name once. The correct answer is B. Clap 5 times. Question 3. Why do coders use loops? A. To repeat tasks easily. B. To make computers sleep. The correct answer is A. To repeat tasks easily. Last one. In Scratch, which block can repeat actions? A. Repeat block. B. Food block. Correct. A. Repeat block. Excellent. Now your homework. Create your own loop. Clap 5 times or make a cat say hello 3 times. Write your loop like this. Repeat 5 times. Clap. Ask your parents to check your loop. Make sure it repeats correctly. Great job everyone. Today you learned about loops in daily life, games, animation and Scratch. Remember, code smarter, not longer. Thank you for joining day 16 of Cyber Smart Kids. See you in the next class. Bye-bye and keep coding safely.